Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the OPPO Find N3 foldable smartphone. OPPO launched its Find N2 foldable phone back in December 2022, which has been a hit in the market. And now, it seems like the brand is all set to launch its successor, the OPPO Find N3, which has been making rounds on Weibo. So, let's dive into the details and see what's new in this phone. The OPPO Find N3 is said to come with a larger 8-inch main display, which is bigger than the Find N2's 7.1-inch panel. This would be a significant upgrade in terms of screen and a 120Hz refresh rate. Moving on to the performance, the OPPO Find N3 is rumored to come with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC paired with Adreno GPU for graphics, which should provide a smooth and seamless experience. This should make the phone a powerful device, and should be able to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. The camera setup on the OPPO Find N3 is expected to be a major upgrade over the Find N2. The phone is said to come with two selfie cameras, one for the cover screen and one for the main display. The resolutions for the cameras will be 20MP and 32MP sensors, respectively. Additionally, the phone is tipped to house a 50MP Sony IMX890 main display with OIS, a 48MP IMX581 for the ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP shooter for the telephoto module. This is definitely a camera setup that should impress even the most demanding photographers. Lastly, the battery capacity of the OPPO Find N3 is expected to be 4,805 mAh, which is a decent upgrade from the Find N2. The Weibo post claims that the phone will have an ultra-thin design, but no specifics have been mentioned. Conclusion. So, that's all we know about the OPPO Find N3 so far. It's shaping up to be a great successor to the Find N2, with significant upgrades in the screen size, camera setup, and battery capacity. While we don't have any details on the launch timeline, we can speculate that the phone might debut before the end of the year. We'll keep you updated with any new information that we come across, so make sure you stay tuned to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.